How to request money on Zelle application. Are guests facing issue to request money with Zelle app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To request money using Zelle, first log in into your bank app or official Zelle application. Make sure your email address or your US mobile number is already enrolled. Once logged in, navigate to the request money section. Enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to request money from. Then type the amount you are requesting. You can also add a note or description for the payment, such as a dinner split or rent share. Once everything is entered, tap request or send request to complete the process. The recipient will receive a notification through email or text and can approve and send the money directly through Zelle application. Make sure you use the correct contact information to ensure your request reaches the right person. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to request money with Zelle application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.